You don't need a lot of money to invest in real estate. I want a tax lien auction online with just $250. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So we go to the tax lien auction website. From here, you'll either log into your account or register and create one. This auction is in Polk County, Florida. What I love about Florida is that it's a hybrid state, which means Florida offers both tax liens and tax deeds. Today, though, we're only focused on tax liens. Once we're logged in, we scroll down here to the quick search and search for all the available liens. There are tax liens for every budget. The most expensive lien here is a little over 900,000, while the least expensive is about 35 bucks, with everything in between. So, whether you're starting with 50 bucks or 50,000, there's something for every budget. Our budget here is $250. Look, I'm skeptical by nature. So, anytime I invest in a new state or county, I like to dip my toe in the water before I dive all the way in. I have to prove to myself that it works before I pour my wallet into that investment. So that's why we're going to start with $250 here. So we enter 250 as our maximum amount. What I love about this auction website is that it allows us to filter by property type. Depending on your investor profile, you'll know which investments are best to move you towards your goals. As you can see here, there are all kinds of properties: vacant land, single family residentials, multi units. I mean, they even have hotels. In this case, we're going to stick with vacant land. So here's the tax lien I purchased. Now, as you can see here, there's no address. The counties don't deal in addresses. The county gives you a parcel ID, and you have to know what to do with it. That's why, if you want to be successful in this business, I always suggest working with somebody or a company that knows what they're doing and can help you complete your due diligence with just that parcel ID. Remember, education is the foundation. You need to work with someone that's going to teach you how to do this. And once you learn how to do this, you have that skill forever. After doing your due diligence, we see the property here. Now, the county's pinpoint is always a little off because the county's map is never accurate. But since I did my due diligence, I know this tax lien is attached to this vacant strip of land here in between these two houses. Nothing sexy, but it's easily sellable. I don't care about sexiness, I care about profitability. Now, let's look at the certificate history here. This lien redeemed in 94 days last year and 176 days a few years back. Both of these are less than 6 months. Now, that doesn't guarantee it'll happen that quick again, but we understand the possibility of a quick return before we ever place our bid. This tax lien aligned with my investor profile, which was focused on land. It fit within a $250 budget, and it was won at 18% annual interest rate. When it comes to tax lien and tax deed investing, you don't have to start big, but you do have to start. No matter your budget, there's a tax lien for everyone. So, wherever you're at, start there.